Alright, black stripe belts, welcome to the video tutorial on your high level kick. We're continuing on the spinning hook kick. Now when you're black stripe belt, of course you're responsible for all of your kicks that you've been learning as a color belt, but one added kick that I want you to practice on is called the step in spinning hook kick. So it's just like your regular spinning hook kick, but now you're just going to take a step forward. So I have Master Kim that will be demonstrating the step spinning hook kick, and when you get really good at it, then you can start practicing your jump spinning hook kick. So let's watch Master Kim do a couple of kicks.
Hiya! 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 Hiya!
All right, once you get the hang of that, now instead of putting your foot down in front of you, you can actually take a little bit of a hop step and turn that into a jump spinning hook kick. So let's watch Master Kim do a couple of jump spinning hook kicks.
Hiya! Hiya!
All right, now of course, if you guys are practicing at home, you have to make sure you have a lot of open space around you so that you don't hurt yourself or hurt anyone around you. And if you have any questions, make sure that you ask the instructors in class.